There is a hidden rule in BODMAS that almost everyone overlooks. Today I will show you exactly what it is and why it matters more than you think. 15 divided by 3 will give you what? 5. Multiply by 2 plus 4 will give you 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 will give you what? 1 times 5. 5 times 1 will give you what? 5. Now, 15 divided by 3 will give you what? 5. Multiply by 2 plus 4 will give you what? 6 minus 5. 5 times 6 will give you what? 30 minus 5. 30 minus 5 will give you what? 25. The hidden rule is division and multiplication. Division and multiplication has equal priority. So you have to solve it from left to right. You have to solve from left to right. So the correct answer is this, not this. You have to first of all do the division first before you multiply. This is BODMAS mistakes, episode 8. Please don't miss our next episode. You will enjoy episode 9. 95% of students fail this. Why? Because they rush it. This is very simple, right? Okay, let me walk you through. 4 plus 6 will give you what? 10. Multiply by 8 minus 9. 10 multiplied by 8 will give you what? 80 minus 9. 9 minus 80 will give you what? Minus 71. Now, 6 multiplied by 8 will give you what? 48. Plus 4 minus 9. 9 minus 4 will give you what? 5. Plus 48. 5 plus 48 will give you what? 53. Now, which of these do you think is the correct answer? Is it option A or option B? First of all, according to our BODMAS, it says that you have to first of all multiply, add before you subtract. But remember the trap. Addition and subtraction has equal priority. Addition and subtraction has equal priority. So you have to go from left to right. That is why we do this subtraction before we add. So from this calculation, you will first of all multiply, subtract, and finally you add. So this is wrong and this is right. The correct answer to this particular problem is 53. Meanwhile, let me know what your answer is in the comment section. And if you are finding any BODMAS problem difficult, feel free to drop the question in the comment section. I might feature it in my next post. Remember, don't miss our next episode.